hope you're having a lovely morning, afternoon, or evening. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do a half up, half down with a bun. Now, this is sort of a mix of my past two videos, which you can watch down below, where I'll be doing a half up, half down, and then we'll have a little bun at the top. It adds just a little bit of flair, I suppose, to that typical half up, half down style. Also, can I get a wow? You changed your hair color again. Yeah, I'm dark brown now. In case you guys couldn't tell, my hair was getting quite faded and my roots are going in. And I was like, hey, perfect time to see what I would look like with darker hair. So I have dark brown hair now. Now anyway, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So what you want to do first is brush your hair. Then, once you've brushed your hair, you do your half up, half down style of choice. Now, I prefer the style where you kind of pull it back like that, so I'll be doing that. But if you prefer the style where you pull everything back, feel free to do that as well. Just as long as you have your hair half up, half down, with a nice little ponytail in the back. Now with whichever half up, half down style you are using, if you have thinner hair like me, feel free to take a little extra from each side, especially with the pull back one like I did, because you want to have your ponytail be as thick and as voluptuous as possible. Alright, what you want to do first is gather all that extra hair underneath your ponytail and put it into a ponytail, just so it stays out of the way. Then what you want to do is take your half up, half down ponytail, break it into two parts, and begin twisting it, just like you do with a bun. And since this is such a small ponytail, by the time it gets to the end part, you can just kind of twist it between your fingers, and once it gets to the very end, just twist it all together. Then, you grab one of your mini rubber band elastics and tie off that twist. And once you finish tying it off, it's going to unravel a bit, but not completely because you just tied it off. And then you want to start pulling it apart just to add a little bit more volume. Then you take the end of it, wrap it around the base, and try to tuck in that little tail part of the twist underneath everything else. Then you grab a bobby pin, stick it in, turn it to the side, and slide it into the bun. And when you are pinning everything in, try to start at where the elastic is, just to kind of secure that part, and then go around the bun to any other parts that you think are loose or need to be pinned down. Then you can pull apart the bun a little more, just to add a little more volume, and if any pieces happen to come loose or fall out during the part, just grab a pin and pin it down. Alright, and then once your bun is secure and all pinned down, let loose your hair and you are all done. So what you want to do first is, again, grab all that excess hair and tie it. You take the 2 strands of hair, pull it back, make sure it looks nice on either side of the head. Sorry, I just hit the camera. Then you take your rubber band, won't focus, that's cool. Take the rubber band, make the half up, half down. Then you can do the little twisty. Here I've got a little hack for you. This is called a topsy-turvy. You stick the needle point through here, stick the hair through, and then pull. It pulls all the hair through. And fun fact, they're like, you can get a set of 2 or 3 of them for like $5 to $8 on Amazon or at Walmart. They're super useful, especially if you haven't quite got the hang of the whole twist style thing. Then from here, you take the hair, split into the 2 parts, then you twist it. Secure that with a hair elastic or a mini rubber band, whatever you like to call it. Then you can sort of loosen the twist, wrap it around, hold it together, then grab your bobby pins, stab in, turn, then slide it in. Then, once it's gotten in a place that you are happy with, feel free to let the hair out of the ponytail. And you are all good to go. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope I was able to teach you something new. If you liked it, feel free to drop a like. If you have something to say, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you liked it so much, feel free to subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day or night, and I will see you in the next one.